Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. So, today we have uploaded a software installation tutorial video that is specifically for WinRAR. So, in short, I will tell you what is WinRAR. So, WinRAR is a software that is used to make archives, compressed folders, compressed files, and to extract those compressed files. It is used in either way. And RAR, and though the files that are created with WinRAR or used with WinRAR are basically .rar. You can also extract .zip files and .rar4 files, but primarily the file extension that is used in this software is .rar. So why do we need to install WinRAR? The first reason is that .zip is much more obsolete and it is used by Windows extraction and compression tool. And in case you want to extract it or compress it much more efficiently, the WinRAR is a much more, or the .rar file is a much more better option. So without any further delay, let's start. So first of all, we'll open the downloaded folder that we have downloaded from the comment section, and this will be the file that will be available in the drive, the online drive. As you can see that this is a .zip file. Okay, so I've already extracted it because I do not have an external or a stock Windows compression or extraction tool. So I extracted it and then I uninstalled WinRAR. For those who are using Windows 11, they will be having their stock extraction and compression tool known as WinZip. And those who are using Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 10, they can just download it from the Microsoft or the File Hippo or the EN Softonic websites, the WinZip software. They will be getting a 15-day, 30-day or 40-day trial period. So it is just for 5 minutes. You can download it, extract it, and then uninstall it. So as you can see that I'm not able to extract it, therefore I do not have WinRAR also. I've uninstalled it. So this installation is from the scratch. Then the next thing comes that which one folder do we have to proceed with? So nothing. We'll just go to the settings, or you can just go to the your desktop, right click on my PC properties, and you will get the information. The another thing is that you will just click on the system and you will see that about PC is 64 based processor. So we will proceed with the into 64 and then we will proceed more, and over here we will get the setup, and this is the crack folder. So first of all we'll run this as administrator, and before running it as an administrator, make sure that you are having the internet to the Wi-Fi, the Ethernet turned off. And the second thing is that you are having the virus protection, or known as manage ransomware protection, disabled, because protection is nothing but the protection for your C drive documents, downloads, music, picture, and videos, etc. So those folders are not mostly used, because in case you have a system crash, that will be the first thing which will be getting down. And make another partition except for C, like D, E, F, whatever you want, and store all your necessary important files in that drive. Do not store anything in C drive. Only the software installations should be in the C drive. Okay. And you can also use Microsoft OneDrive for like soft files or folders which you are using on multiple devices. So you see that I'm using the OneDrive already, but that does not mean that I need to use the controlled folder access. Okay, so now internet is turned off, virus manage ransomware protection is turned off. You do not need to disable the real-time protection or the app and feature protection, etc., etc. Just the controlled folder access. Then we'll right click on the run as administrator, make sure that the destination folder is in C drive. We'll click on install, toggle all cascade, yes, add WinRAR to start menu, yes, yes, and then it will be done. So we'll see that this is a 40-day trial period. Okay. So what we'll do now, we will not launch the software. In case you have launched it, you just need to close it, and you can make sure that in the task manager that the WinRAR is not running. In case it is running, you can just end the task or end process. Now we will copy this particular file. We'll copy it and we will go to the file location of WinRAR, the installation directory. Okay, so this is a shortcut. We'll go again, and you will see that over here we will have to paste this particular file. Okay, so for those who are having Windows 10 previous version, that Windows 10 there are many updates, might be 21H2 etc. So they will be having the option of merging this particular file with the source directory and Windows 8 and Windows 7. But in case you have the latest updated Windows 10 as of February 2025, the merge will happen automatically. Okay, so I do not need to merge it now. In case you are having the option of merge over here while doing a right click, then definitely merge it. Now I will just open the WinRAR and let us see that if we are having the licensing complete. So yes, register to downloaded.ir unlimited company license. So now we have the WinRAR with the purchased version. Sometimes when you will do a full system scan or a custom scan, so this particular file RAR reg might be considered as an external file or a file that can harm your computer, but actually it does not. It just makes sure that the username and the password that is actually bought by the WinRAR side is used over here also on multiple devices. So that is just the use of this RAR reg key, and you can just make sure that then you will, after 2 months or 3 months, whenever you will do a full system scan, then you will open the WinRAR. You will see that you have to purchase the license. Don't worry about it. Close the WinRAR, go to the downloaded file which you have downloaded, and you just need to have that RAR reg file. You just need to have that. So just copy that, paste it again, merge it, and you are good to go. So this was the complete software installation tutorial video for WinRAR. And as you know, WinRAR is much more better than WinZip, because WinZip can only extract .zip files and WinRAR can extract .rar, .rar4 and .zip files also. So with this, we complete the software installation tutorial video. In case you like our series, do hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. And you can also share our videos with your colleagues, with your classmates, with your friends, etc. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.